Okay, so we've got our cut pad here. The top edge is without a nailer. The bottom edge has a 2-inch nailer, and remember we're raising this up 5.5 inches for our spring floor. I've already got my first strips on the wall here, so I'm going to goober them up with some construction adhesive. I'll tack nail that in with an 18 gauge or even a 23 gauge pin nailer, which is a small nail. It's just going to hold it in place while the glue hangs onto it. Okay, I've got my cut wall pad in place here. I've got construction adhesive on my first strip. I'm going to sink this down to be flush and level with my windowsill here. Then I'm going to use my nailer. I've got my wall pad in place here. I'm just going to make sure this is nice and level. It should be in line with my windowsill. I've got construction adhesive on my first strips. I've got the pad where I want it. My level looks good. Then I'm going to shoot through my bottom nailer into this. That'll hold the glue in place while this thing sets up. We should be good to go. Let's do another one.